Channel Alien Tech Champion. If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please go to the Google or YouTube and search for the Alien Tech Champion. Okay, as you can see my screen, so you'll see, or you'll open this Alien Tech Champion and just like and subscribe the channel so that you'll get the all the latest video on Microsoft Endpoint Manager, Apple, Android and operating system, right? So it's free of course, just subscribe the channel. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can use and what is actually Intune Data Warehouse and how you can use that and for reporting purpose, because most of the you're working for the organizations, right? So you some kind of reports may be requested by the management, so you need to prepare the report and give to the management, right? So how you can generate the reports using the Intune Data Warehouse, so that the report will be generated in graphical interface. So first understand what is Intune Data Warehouse and where you can access it, right? So as soon as you landed with the Microsoft Endpoint Manager, click on the reports because it's for reporting. There are many kind of report is already available, like for compliance, but and for analytics as well, but I'm showing about Intune Data Warehouse, right? So click on Intune Data Warehouse and you see here, so this Intune Data Warehouse will provide you access to more information about your mobile environment, like other than the Microsoft Endpoint Manager and stuff. So with Intune Data Warehouse you can access historical Intune data, like data refreshed on daily basis, a data model using OData. So this actually data model will be OData standard, right? So how you can use the Intune Data Warehouse? So simply, right, you see here, this will give you the historical Intune data and it's daily, and data model will be OData standard. And this data warehouse to provide you the better build report, so that you can build the report and provide insight into your organization's environment with the Intune Data Warehouse. There is also options to Power BI online, as you already know, right? So through Power BI you can create the reports. I will make video on in another, so that will not get confused. And this pre-built app contains a basic set of custom reports, so you can, of course, you can buy a Power BI and create the report, which is actually awesome and very good tool. Like if you are using any third party like Splunk or some other, you can, of course, you can use this Intune Data Warehouse so that you can create the custom report from your Intune data, historical data, and using the reporting that support OData Feed. So this is the OData Feed for organizations. You can just go to the reports and data warehouse and just copy this. Once you copy this, how you can use that? So what you have to do, you have to open the Power BI, okay, and then if you open the Power BI applications, you can click on choose file and get the data, and then on the get data just paste this OData feed for reporting purpose, and then sign with your organization data and connect it. So you will get everything from the Intune, and then you can just generate the report. So Intune actually collect all the informations, right, which actually based on the based on the settings you have configured, and those data will get reported in the data warehouse. So actually it's a very good tool. So you can integrate with the third-party reporting purpose, and this warehouse is a central repository of information that you can be analyzed to make more informed decisions. So data flow into a data warehouse from one transactional system or rationalized database or any other sources, it will be actually regular, and you'll get the live data. That is the actually good thing. So try, if you are using third-party reporting services, you can use this OData feed, or you can use the Microsoft Power BI, right? So if you click on additional information, you will see here. And similar like for Power BI, you can open it, right? So you see here, right? It's a very good tool. You can buy it and get data, right? So as I mentioned, right, uh, you have to sign up for, maybe if you already have, you just go to the files and then you see your mic workspace one, and get data, right? So this is actually, and then you can export and import whatever you want. You can create the reports, and this is actually very good tool for, right? You see, for me it's saying I have not signed in Power BI, so it's asking me for Power BI. For data warehouse, as I have shown you, right? So you see, right, the trend build report, trend to use in enrolling a devices, app and OS version breakdown, enrollment of devices, compliance trend. So everything will come here, and this is actually very good tool for your reporting. So try, and you can, with your link, create a custom report and try this, right? So hope you have learned, as I said, right? So you, once you got the report, and the link is as I have shown you, and like from the Power BI desktop, you need to select the files, get data, OData feed, and paste this the copy and click on OK. As soon as click on OK, connect, and then as soon as you click on connect, and then create a relationship, and then tree map visualization, whatever you want, you can add filter and whatever, and you can create a report using the OData feed. So I hope you have learned how you can create a report using the Intune data warehouse, and you understand what is Intune data warehouse, how you can use this OData feed for your reporting purpose and generate the report. Your management and reporting manager will be very happy. Till then, thank you, have a good day, bye bye, take care.